Go ahead.
All right. So today, the topic that we have taken, we have to talk about our strengths and we have to talk about our weakness. Definitely, in common conversation, no one will ask you about just tell me your strength and weakness. It is a question always arise if you are going for interview part. Definitely, they will ask you just tell me about your weakness and tell me about your strength, right? So what we whatever the information there, it must be according to our job profile. We have already talked. I mean, the day before yesterday, we have talked that how to give a proper interview, right? You know, the question that they are asking, how to answer those questions. This is also one of the very good question, and definitely in every single interview they will ask to you. Whatever the answer we have to give, definitely it must be related to our job. Like, okay, so the few things that I have mentioned, definitely for any job, no matter it's a corporate sector or it's a government or for any job profile we are going, the first and foremost important thing, communication skills, right? So whether we love to talk with people or not, if we are going for that post, we have to mention. So according to me, like uh, this is one of my strength that I love to talk with people. Like uh, I can easily convince people just because I have talked with so many people. Especially in this lockdown period, I have talked to more than 200 and 300 people. So I know the need of the customer. I know the what they actually want. It's very easy for me to convince. My second strength is I'm so punctual, and the reason is only one. Since when I have started this meeting, this Zoom session, uh, I I have created every single day. I have tried my best to create every single day around 3 p.m. So that's why I'm so punctual, and also I'm a so hard worker. Just because of along with my preparation, I'm also doing all these part, and I'm doing well. Also, in my college time, I have participated in different curriculum activities, and along with that, I have managed my studies. So this is what my actually strength, and this is how we can elaborate our strength. Firstly, we have to keep our strength part, and then we have to give the reason behind that strength. Whatever the strength that you have, you think it is you are good at that, and there can be so many strengths that we can mention. Like I'm a quick learner. I have a good ability to adapt to something, right? And along with that, we can give example that even in my college time, I was good at mathematics, and still now, if someone is and also I have a good problem solving skill. These are a few strengths that we can mention, and it definitely depends on the job profile that we are going. And let us come about the weakness. So how to tell someone your weakness? Definitely, whatever the weakness that we have to mention there. But the weakness, such kind of weakness that shows some strength in our job. Like one I weakness, no doubt there are so many weakness inside me, but I'm not going to mention all the weakness. I have to only mention one and two, and along with that, I have to also tell them that why it is my weakness and why I consider it. Like if I will, if I give my example, so whenever I start to do any work, I don't listen other people, and sometimes what happens, just because I have committed for any work, so I have to complete that work. No matter my friend is calling, my family is calling, I have to complete that work. So sometimes my family is not happy, my friends are not happy. So in this part, I think I'm lacking. But the work is more priority for me. I give more priority for my work instead of other people. But I think I need to manage work life balance between my family and between my work, right? So this is how I have also mentioned my weakness, that sometimes it happens that my family are not happy just because of me, right? But along with that, I'm also mentioning I'm too much focused for my work, and this is what every people, every corporate sector, everyone wants from you, that they need your 100% focus, right? So I have already a weakness, but in that weakness, uh, somehow I mention my strength. So this is how we can mention our strength and weakness, and I have mentioned my own. Okay, Nabil, now you can talk about your strength and weakness.
Okay, so first thing that we have to know that in this world no one is perfect. Everyone's have the same problems, like someone have some strength as well as some
Yeah.
weakness. So it is the reality of our life, and we can't expect ourselves that in any aspect or in any skills we can't be perfect. So we have to know about this part. But if I talk about my strength, so I think I'm not talking about my skill based strength, but I think I just want to talk something which I get some naturally things which I think it is my biggest strength. So I would like to tell you that
Mm-hmm.
introspection. So I think it is the thing which I found it is inherently on myself. So whatever I do, suppose I would like to learn any skills or anything, so what I do, I always introspect myself, like I can make some notes on it, that how can I achieve it. So and how I am doing about it, means I am doing work or not. I'm just hypothetically think about that how can I accomplish that thing, or I am doing some work on the ground base. So I always introspect when I go to sleep. I think that what I did today. So whatever I do, I
Mm-hmm.
have some plan and I always try to do it. And the second thing which I found that I utilize my sources very well. Suppose I think that everyone in this world, no one have all kinds of sources. So I have to be a that kind of person. If you have very limited sources, but you can utilize it and do your work. So I always think that suppose I want to tell you one example of English. Suppose if you have very limited vocabulary as well as grammar rules or very limited English, but if you communicate very well instead of having very limited vocabulary, so I think it's the best part of yourself, because you are not very well even though you can communicate. So that is the thing. Whatever I do, suppose I go to gym and I don't have any trainer, but I try to watch some tutorials like regarding to workout. So I just try to utilize my resources even though I have limited resources. So it is the things which I found that it is the God gifted things on me. And besides this, I hope that I have lots of strength, but I don't want to talk here regarding to it. And if I talk about my weakness, so sometimes I think that I become a bit of selfish, because I always think about myself, that how can I do my workout, my diet, my work, everything. But I think somewhere you can say that it is good for me. But yeah, I have to try to reduce that part. And another thing that I think sometimes my friends, many times they said that you speak very fast, and I think I should also work on my speaking things, that I speak little bit of fast, but I don't know, but it's my natural thing, so I don't want to work on it. But I think I should work little bit. If any teacher recommend me that you speak very fast, so I think I should do it. So that is the thing. But the thing is that you don't think about your weakness, your strength. You have to work on it. You have to work every day, because if you
Yeah.
have little bit of weakness, if you do work daily basis constantly, so you can reduce it. And there is no any problem, because if you don't very well in any specific thing, so it's a natural thing. You can develop anything, means it is the best part of our as a being human, because as a human we can develop any skill, we can learn anything. It is the best thing of us. So we have to do it, but we have to work on two things. That first thing is we have to be full of passions. We have lots of passions, because without passions you can't be achieve anything. And second thing is we have to be consistent, because if you do something which is really helpful for you, in processing time you get some pain. It is natural, you get some pains, but this kind of pain is better than if you don't do anything, but after some times later when you regret, and that pain is more hard, more harsh than you pain you get if you're doing something
Mhm.
hard. So that's it.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Great point made by you. Okay, Manisha. Now you can mention your strength and weakness.
Yes,
Like you're
sir.
also preparing for civil services. Whatever you want to mention, you can mention. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'd like to start with my weaknesses.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I am a very emotional kind of person, very sensitive. I get means I I get affected with small things, or with people when someone say when somebody says something little bit of, sir, I could how to
Yeah, it's okay.
express.
All right.
I'm sensitive kind of person,
Okay. So
and
yeah,
I
exactly. You
trust
are a
people
kind of a sensitive
easily.
person. If someone tell you
Yeah,
something about your personality, so you feel a little bit more. Yeah.
uh,
Go ahead.
yeah, I trust people easily without knowing they they hurt me, like. And talking
Yeah.
about my strength, yeah, I am a hardworking person. I want I want to sir, I how to express.
Okay.
Sir, yes, I am a hardworking person, and I am preparing for civil services, but the major problem is this thing only, speaking skills only.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. All right. No issue. Definitely, if you are recording your audio part, that's we on Telegram, in WhatsApp, and if you are joining with Zoom and you are talking with people, gradually you will improve. I mean, we all have improved like this, and we still are improving by doing practice every single day, right? So the only thing that we need a practice, nothing more than that. It's not our mother tongue, and we haven't speak like this since our childhood.
This is the
So
first time
what
I
do we
am
need?
on
All
camera.
we need just a
That's why
practice.
some
because
nervousness I'm feeling.
because
Yeah,
every person who start their journey
no
who
issue.
like you, because everyone start, if you are very good, so you are
Yeah.
not coming here. So the reason is exactly, you can say obvious, that you are here to learn something, so you just learn it and don't try to be shy, because it's not your native language, like Dhruv said. So firstly you have to congratulate yourself that you are very well in your native language, maybe in Hindi. So you are very well, because you can communicate in Hindi language, so as well as you know some English. So you have to congratulate yourself that you can easily communicate in English as well. So you just make some habit, you just develop some habits, so you can do it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, okay.
Yes, Monty.
Yeah, yeah, hello guys. So if I talk of my strengths are that I am a very punctual guy as well as I am so responsible. And in these two things, I am good. And when I done my schooling, I had taken I had taken my participation in some of the competition like science fair and some of extemporaries. In that things I had do well, and also after coming to the college I had also taken part in the elections as well as mime activity. So I'm a good dancer and I'm the good in the sports. So these were my strength, and my weakness were that I'm not punctual to the time there, and also sometimes I delay my work, so I'm not consistent. And these were my weakness because I delay my work every time. And if someone gave me the 10 days to do this work, so I'm good responsible, so I will definitely do that work, but I will do on the last day. So this is my I think very bad weakness that I know about me. So I tried many times, but unfortunately I'm not able to um, to rehabilitate that activity. And that's all, Dhruv.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, Nabil.
You know that I think if you talk any pupils, if you just survey that, you can survey on thousands people, and you ask what's your biggest weakness. So I think mostly people say that I procrastinate the things. I think procrastination is the what can I say? It's the major problems with our facing, we have been facing, because we just procrastinate the thing, and I think it is the biggest problem. If you just remove in your list, so you will be a very good person, because whatever we do, we just procrastinate the thing. Suppose if you learn anything, so we think that we have to procrastinate and we will do it from tomorrow or next week or next month. So that is the reason we will not be so punctual. So that is the thing.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Nabil. You can stop recording then.